back to Tech for Kids C. It's Dominic here, and today I'm going to show you my longest 3D print ever. As you may know, I did get a new 3D printer since my old one broke. I got it for Christmas. I love it. It's an amazing 3D printer. I'm pretty sure I already have 1,000 hours on it. And I printed this. It's a pen holder. I found the file on Thingiverse. I'll leave the link in the description. The original size was not this big. I just scaled it up because I'm like, I want to go crazy. So it took 47 hours and 14 minutes to print, so just under 2 days. It printed in green AMZ 3D green PLA, and it used lots of filament. Like, I'm out of green filament right now. And I was nearly full when I started, so it uses lots and lots of filament. Another long 3D print that I have done are these nuts and bolts. So they were printed on the FlashForge Creator Pro, so the printer I have running right now. And I printed a couple at a time, and they took like 30 hours, I'm pretty sure. So that used lots of filament too. And I did do a 25% infill on it, so they're nice and strong. So if I throw them, they won't break. Another long 3D print that I make lots of, hold on. These bombs, like, these are really cool. They have a flat bottom, so they're easy to print. They just sit on the bed. Super easy to print, no supports. You don't need a raft on it. So yeah, those are some of my longest 3D prints ever. Oh, the bomb took 7 hours. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll leave all the links in the description for these files. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!